What's good, YouTube and other social media platform folks? Got a real quickie for you today. I guess I shouldn't use that terminology, but I'm going to be what am I going to be doing? Oh yeah, I'm going to be switching out headlight bulbs with LasFit. LasFit is a great LED replacement for the stock OEM bulbs that you have in your car to give off that brown ugly light, and this one right here will match the rope light that comes down here. The bulb will match too. So let's get that done. Be back at you. And through the magical touch of editing, you can see that I have another Civic here. This is my homegirl Civic right now. We're gonna be changing out the same light bulbs on her car. All right, as you can see, we have the LED bar here that shows up white, but when you turn on the headlight, it looks like this. Good. See that? That is just a terrible brownish hue, and we don't go for that. We ain't going for that. So we're gonna switch it out, and we're gonna get a nice white colored 6,000 lumen LED from LasFit put in there. All right, welcome back. These are the two LasFit bulbs that we're gonna put in there. Opening the package, of course, you get a product manual. You get you get 3 LasFit stickers. Place them over there. And these are your actual bulbs. Come with a nice little fan cooling unit on there, nice fins, LED, and it's a plug and play, so you don't have to worry about trying to splice wires together. So let's hurry up and get this done, because I'm sure she's got stuff to do and she don't want to be held up over 2 bulbs. Here's the LasFit cooling fan, nice fins, heat dissipating fans, LED lights. You would think that little light right there wouldn't put out 6,000 lumens, but you'd be surprised. There we go. Nice and secure. All right, we back. We got that switched out, and let's see what the difference is on here. Go ahead and turn your bar on. All right, you can see how that is. Nice white light. All right, turn your headlight on. Boom. Same deal. Same deal. We no longer have that ugly brownish tint to the headlight. We're gonna be switching out the fog lights too. See that? See the difference between the regular beam with the LasFit versus the OEM fog light. We're gonna get that switched out too. Thanks for being with us today. When we come back, we're gonna have a little something else for you.